Hi, in this video, we will learn how to use Active Workspace part manufacturing solution, which helps the manufacturing team to access manufacturing-related information such as CNC CMM programs, tooling details, setup sheets, etc. Log into the Active Workspace with the credentials. Open the setup file which contains the manufacturing data. Navigate to Part Manufacturing tab. Expand the Activities tab. Here we can see the post-processed CMM programs, and if we select the program, preview can be viewed at the right-hand side. We can also download the CMM programs from this page. We can see all the manufacturing resources here, including parts, stock material, tools, and machines, etc. If you're interested in discovering how Teamcenter configuration can benefit your business, please get in touch, queries@philocs.com. Thanks for watching the video.